I ran and ran till I reached the heavy iron gates o' the Hove graveyard. I heard trees moaning and whispering in the wind as I made my way to the gates on the other side. I was nearly there when I heard the lassie's voice calling out, "Charlie!" I went over to her and asked her what she was looking for. "My dog," she replied. "I can't see him," she whimpered. "Can you help me find him?" As she turned toward me, I let out a blood-curdling scream. Her skin was as white as snow, and her eyes were Scotch black holes. It was her.
Carol, now lying in the house, darted up the stair and grabbed her phone. She turned, left the room, slipped, fell forward. Her phone went fleeing at her horn. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, smash. She followed it down. With every thump more dread ran through her body. She then picked it up, shared the screen everywhere, covering the flare. Then she had to navigate this flare like a minefield. A low hum then began ringing out around the house, so Carol leapt for the cupboard, hiding there while the children filled the house and began wrecking the gaff.
All you could hear was the ceilidh music. The dancers' faces went all peely-wally and their een turned reed. Then, abruptly, the music stopped. The accordion player and the fiddler put down their instruments and pulled down their scarves and took off their dark glasses to reveal their faces. Smiling wickedly, with dark holes where their een should be. Their mouths had nae teeth, nor lips, just an eerie void. These musicians weren't human in the slightest, and their een sockets were staring richt at me. I bolted and ran as fast as my legs would carry me.
Soon, the drum beat was accompanied by a high-pitched screeching sound. Every few seconds, a wee white animal thing would belt down one side of the golf course to the other at the speed of light. The group screamed as a chill went up their spines. "Phone the police, man!" Liam exclaimed. "What are the police gonna do?" Abby questioned. "Save us, what else?" Liam said harshly. "And we're meant to say what?" "Excuse me, we're being hunted down by a made-up creature."
The moment I grabbed her arm, she let out a deafening skellich, a blinding screech. It is a bellach o' a woman, o' men, o' sons, o' daughters, o' birds, o' whales, o' all living things, o' a the deed, and a God o' me. I let her Gertie gae stumbling, falling back on the cow flare, desperately quivering, ripping and tearing my lugs. There was a crack, a clash, and cut. Nae just my lugs aching with a sair pain, but there were sharp cuts seeping into my bane, my marrow, my soul, making an infinite paralysing, consuming yucking pain.
A muckle great speeder, 6 or 7 feet lang, black as murk and hairy, long laying arms fae my dreams, long glass eyes. Am I still dreaming? I wake up now, right? Hold on a minute, that's no arms, it's legs. Oh, 8 of them. Tap, tap, tap. Dawn glistering white een stared right through me, into my soul, and I kent I was for it. I couldn't look awa. Slowly, one leg at a time, the hang for my nightmares walked to me. Scud tap, I couldn't move.
Everything is black. I'm stuck, slowly suffocating in the mud when I feel a rope wrap around my arm. Billy finally grew some brains then, and I'm being pulled up towards the surface. I've never been so happy to taste the folk or care. I wipe at mine to clear the muck away. Where am I? Why is the sky red? Where is Billy? More importantly, where's the banking? Where's the tune? All I hear is screaming in the distance, "Billy!" I run as fast as I can in that direction. All of a sudden there's a bubbling in front of me, and the water begins to pert. A figure rises up out of it, but no the one I expected.
Darkness falls all over the land. The midnight hour is near at hand. Craters crawl for bleed they look, to fleg ye are in every nook. And far they fin without a doubt, but can a dance and loup about. Whilst on and face the dogs of hell, and Beale inside a corpse's shell. Cursus guff is in the air, the reek of 40,000 year, and eldritch ghasts fi ilka lair will see to it you'll get your fare. And though ye fecht to stay alive, your body starts to chitter, for none your mortal can resist the coarseness, oh, the thriller.